Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to show you guys what we've got going on at the moment with our house renovations. I just got home from work and so I'm a bit flustered because I was like rushing home and it was really hot and I was sitting in my car and I don't like rolling windows down, but whatever. Um, So guys, let's go look at my balcony as it currently is. They've done the demolition and everything already, and then they're gonna, I don't know when they're gonna start building the deck because Anthony and I are currently in the middle of having a fight, so I actually haven't spoken to him about anything to do with the deck. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now. They did start the demolition today, and so they're taking apart the stairs, the railings, the roof. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys where we're at now. This is, hang on. Okay, so let's go outside. This is a bit scary because we're pretty high up. So they've taken apart the hand railing. I don't know if you guys can see it over there. So there it is, that ugly brown stuff. Actually, that'll be the hand railing and the handrail for the stairs. They've taken apart obviously the roof, and that's where that is. So there it is. Sorry, I'm kind of really regretting not filming like a before shot of all this, but I'm gonna go downstairs and show you guys from downstairs. So let's just, so it just looks like a huge pile of rubbish. It just looks completely different. Like, I don't know, like you could actually just tell how big my house is now. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So that's where we're at with building the deck. I think he's gonna come back and start tomorrow, I'm not sure. But guys, I can't really show it to you that well because the sun is like right up there. I don't know if you can see it, but I can't see it very well. Hey guys, so here we are at day 2. I just got home from work and I came in to see the deck, and there is something that I'm really not happy about. I'm going to show you guys. It's like, I actually think it's a pretty big deal. Like, it's not like, you know what, I'm just going to show you guys because you're not going to believe. Okay, so they're up to building whatever the structure is. I don't know what it's called. I'm not a builder. But so this is where the stairs are going to start. And basically what I wanted was for, guys, I'm holding my keys and everything. It's so annoying. I don't know why I'm holding them. So yes, that's Captain America. Okay, so what I actually wanted was from the deck to like end here and then the stairs to be where they are now and then go down that way, which I'm guessing from what they've put down there, that's what's happening. But if you see from like here, I wanted it to end here and just go all the way straight, all the way across to the end there. So like, not this part. So I don't know if Anthony's actually authorized that. I actually haven't spoken to him about it. I actually haven't told him about it. And yeah, so it's not supposed to go out this way. And like, I get why they did it. I really do. But if it was higher, that'd be great. I wouldn't have a problem, but it's not. So, I mean, this is why I just wanted it all the way along here and then down here. So I don't know why they've chosen, I don't know why Anthony would say yes to doing that, because he's going to hit his head on that every single time. I'm going to go around and show you guys from downstairs. Like, I know it looks like a huge gap, and from the angle that I'm standing at, it looks like someone could just walk underneath there, but because the stairs are going to end like right here, he's going to hit his head on that. So let's go around the front. Okay, so that's obviously where you come down and then you start walking down the stairs here, and not 100% sure, but from these markings on the wood, like basically the last step is here and then you step down, and Anthony is like taller than me, so either he's gonna hit his head on that every single time. Like, I mean, it's just, okay, that's just really frustrating. He is so gonna hit his head on that every single time. I don't know if they can even change that or not. I don't know if I should be here to meet the contractors in the morning and tell them to change it. But I mean, like, everything else is great. Show you guys the eucalyptus, whatever gum, I don't know what it's called, but it's actually really, really nice. So it's actually a good size. Don't mind it. It's a nice colour. I really do like this colour. It'll probably look better when we're outside because the lighting in here is pretty crap. But yeah, I really do like it. Hey guys, here we are at day 4. I didn't film day 3 because I don't think I actually did much. I don't know why. It was a Friday, so I'll give them that. So here we are at day 4, and they've laid down some of the, whatever you want to call it, I don't know, wood. I mean, it's all wood, but so they laid down the boards. This is the eucalyptus gum, and yeah, and then they put up the stuff for the handrails and everything. I don't know what that's called. Posts, I don't know, whatever, but it looks amazing. I really can't wait to see the finished product. The stairs are built, and that area where I was like so sure Anthony was going to hit his head on, they cut that piece out so that he won't hit his head on it. So yeah, I mean, I would have preferred it moved over one, but you know, Anthony said that's what he wants, so like, whatever. So yeah, it's all coming together now, and I can't wait till it's finished. I think we're almost there. So, okay, so I know it's been a few days, but this is it now. So for a while, for about a week, it didn't have any of the handrails. Yes, those are my ugly nails. It didn't have any of the handrails, and it didn't have the things that the wire hooks onto. I don't know what they're called. And the stairs are done. They look absolutely amazing. I'll show you guys when we go downstairs. But yes, it is so spacious. I can't wait. I'm gonna have a table here, and oh, so most importantly, what I actually got Anthony to tell the contractor to do is to put wood boards here so that obviously we can't see into the neighbour's yard, they can't see into us. It gives them privacy. It also gives us privacy and everything like that. I mean, we could really only see it if we actually go and stand up over here and look over it, and everything else is just going to be the wires. So that's where we're at. I want to go show you guys the view from downstairs. Also, I kind of overreacted to this thing. I'm just putting it out there. And okay, so the sun has gone down a bit, so you guys have got a nice view of it. And that is it there. I really can't wait to have the bifolds in. I haven't really chased it up when it's coming in, but with everything that's going on at the moment, there's no point in calling and chasing it up. It's going to happen when it happens. So that's what the deck looks like now. What does he have to do? Obviously the railing here. We've also asked him to build a fence on a gate on each side. So I don't have my dog here yet. So basically when he gets that done, I'll bring her home. And she's going to love this. I don't know how she's going to feel about walking upstairs, but she's just a bit scared. But yes, let me know what you think. It looks absolutely beautiful. Love it. Hey guys, so our deck is finally finished and I feel like it's just taken like forever. It's been over a month or over 2 months actually, but I guess it's because like the weather in Sydney has just been absolutely ridiculous and unpredictable and just crazy. And also we're waiting for the bifold doors, but they've been installed and now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So let's go. So these are our bifold doors. They just really open up the place. So I'm just going to move back and show you, like now that this table looks so small compared to what it was before. It actually looked heaps bigger, but now it just looks tiny. It just lets in a lot more light, which is kind of weird because the window is the same width and almost the same height. We just added like this little bit at the bottom, obviously, because there was like a little ledge thing there that the window was resting on. So we didn't actually do too much, like we didn't open the hole in the wall any bigger than what it actually was. So it's just heaps better. It just lets a lot more of the light in. And I don't have any other windows open in the house at the moment. So that's just all light from outside. And it's a really, really nice day. So it's nice to show you guys today. And I'm gonna open the bifolds. So this one just opens like a normal door, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna move that. And just gonna turn that and push it out. And I need to get like a doorstop because these bifolds don't click onto each other or anything like that, so they just kind of swing. And I put a candle there for now, but that's not going to hold because it is a bit windy today. So I'll move back and I'll just show you guys what it looks like with the doors open. So that's it there. And I'll show you guys the rest of the deck. So I'm really happy with the bifolds. I actually really wanted the French doors with the colonial bars on it, but we went for the bifolds. And I'm pretty happy with it. It's nice that it does open up just to the one side, so you have like the rest of the deck. So Anthony and I, we did stain the deck. It's heaps darker. This is black ash from CUTEK, I think. I don't know, I can't remember. But we've done 2 coats of it already and it looks amazing. I think it'll look great because our house, we're gonna paint it. We're gonna do a painted brick. We're gonna do it white. So the deck is really, really gonna stand out. And I'll show you from this angle. So that's the part that I didn't initially want, but I'm kind of glad it's there just because we do have more room now. Like, I know you guys probably can't gauge the size of how big it is, but yeah, it's a pretty decent size. And those are our stairs there. So I'll go down and show you guys from downstairs. I love the color of this stain. Like, it just kind of really brings it. It's something different. It just really, really brings it out. And I'm sorry that the clothesline is going to be in the way, but I can't really do much about that. So that's it there. So it really does just open up everything, and you know, when you're entertaining and stuff, it's just really great having like a huge walkway with. So that's it. I think they did a great job. I'm really, really happy with it. I'm glad that we got the wires and everything. It just, I don't know, like I don't like the thought of it being blocked off from the backyard, because I know it's like elevated compared to the backyard, but I just kind of want it to all be one. So it's kind of great that you don't lose the view of the yard. And I asked him to add the privacy screen just so that we do have, oh, look at the little doggies looking at me. Just so that we do have privacy from our neighbours and our neighbours have privacy from us. Like, I mean, if we're entertaining, you're like standing around here and stuff, like, so you can't really see into the neighbour's yard unless you go over and look over. So it's, yeah. So, I mean, it's a privacy screen, but you're not losing, like, it's not like a huge wall. So I'm glad I just kind of went with the metre high one, not the one that's like 2 meters high. So that is our beautiful deck, and I really can't wait to start. Like, I know it's coming into winter. It's really annoying because I really wanted to have people over and all that kind of stuff, even though we can't have people over now anyway. But it'll be great in summer. And yeah, so that's the door. We're going to close that off. And I don't know how I'm going to close it off with the brick and everything, but I think what I'm going to do is we're just going to get spotted gum and we're just going to put it up there so that it kind of looks like the privacy screen but here, and then I'm just going to hang like pot plants and stuff on it just to cover it, because the bricks, even if I do get matching bricks, it's going to look awkward because it'll just look like there's a hole, that there used to be a doorway there, and I'm going to have a servery here, so that'll all be different. But our deck is done, and yeah, that was like our first major project in the house, and I'm glad we did it because now I can get my kitchen done. So guys, that was my deck, our bifolds and our gates. That was our first major project after moving in. I didn't actually think that we were going to get it done so quickly, but I'm glad that we have it, and I can't wait to start entertaining on it. Can't wait to start furnishing it and everything, but we've got quite a bit more work to do in the house before I actually start furnishing it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and next you guys will see me go and pick my dog up and bring her to her forever home.